Hello everyone, I am Deepak Shah from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabwa, and today we will start chapter 3 of class 12th mathematics, matrices. So first, what is matrices? Matrices or matrix. What is the difference between matrices and matrix? It's just simple difference that matrices is the plural form of matrix. So in full chapter we will use term matrix. हम matrix के ही term को use करेंगे. So what is matrix? Matrix क्या होता है? Matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. So these three terms are very important. Ordered rectangular array. Ordered means क्रम. Rectangular, you all know rectangle in the shape of rectangle, and array means क्रम से, सारणी से. हम उसको जमाएंगे किन्हें नंबर्स और फंक्शंस. नंबर्स यू ऑल नो, नेचुरल नंबर्स, रियल नंबर्स, इंटीजर्स एंड सो ऑन. एंड द फंक्शंस, algebraic functions, trigonometric functions, complex numbers, and these are all types of numbers and functions. So we take example. This is ordered rectangular array, and the numbers or functions, we will take a11, a12, a21, a22. These are all numbers or functions, and numbers or functions are called elements. These are called elements. A11 is first element of first row, this is second element, third element, and fourth element. Now two more terms are important, that is row and column. So what is row? Horizontal elements. When we take this horizontally, R1, and this is R2, these are row 1 and row 2, and column is vertical elements. When we take vertical elements, it means this A11 is C1, column 1, and A12 and A22 are column 2, C2. So these are rows and columns. सबसे पहले अगर हम rows और columns को समझ लेंगे तो हमें ये चैप्टर में बहुत ही आसानी होगी. अदरवाइज इट इज़ क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. देयरफॉर रो एंड कॉलम क्या होता है ये हमको बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है जानना. हमेशा हॉरिजॉन्टली जब हम देखेंगे तो ये रो की बात करेंगे, R1 एंड R2, एंड दिस इज C1 एंड C2. वर्टिकली इट्स कॉल्ड, vertical elements are called columns. So this is the definition of matrix, example, and rows and columns. Now the next thing is order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. What is the order of a matrix? It is also important. Order of a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called as matrix of order m into n or m by n. मैट्रिक्स हैविंग m रोज, किसी मैट्रिक्स में m रोज हों एंड n कॉलम्स और n कॉलम्स हों तो वो मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर m इंटू n और m बाय n कहा जाता है. एग्जाम्पल, मैट्रिक्स A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a matrix A. So this is R1, row 1, and this is R2, row 2. This is C1, C2 and C3. These are three columns, C1, C2 and C3. So what we have written here, a matrix having m rows. How many rows are there? 2 rows. Therefore value of m is 2. And how many columns are there? 3 columns. So value of n is 3. So the order of a matrix A equals to 2 into 3 or 2 by 3. Okay, so there is no problem in this. 2 into 3 is order of matrix. Okay, so we tell it, हम उसको कहेंगे 2 into 3 या 2 by 3 का order है. Okay, so this is the order. Now the next is types of matrix. There are 6-7 types of matrix. Types of a matrix. First is a column matrix. Column matrix. Second is row matrix. Third is zero or null matrix. Fourth is square matrix. Fifth is diagonal matrix. Sixth is scalar matrix, and seventh is identity matrix. So there are 7 types of matrices or matrix. First, column matrix. A matrix having only one column. किसी मैट्रिक्स में सिर्फ एक कॉलम होगी तो वो कहलाएगा कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. एग्जाम्पल 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the order of this matrix is there are 3 rows and 1 column. Its order is 3 into 1, or we can say order of column matrix is m in so 3 into 1. Now row matrix. Matrix having only one row is called row matrix. Example 1, 2, 3. Here there are 3 columns and only one row. So 1 into 3 is the order. Now next is zero or null matrix. All elements of a matrix is 0. All elements of a matrix are 0. Then it is called zero matrix. Example 0, 0, 0, 0. This is called zero or null matrix. Now next is square matrix. Square matrix is a matrix having rows and columns equal. If in any matrix rows and columns are equal, then it is called square matrix. That is m equals to n. ये होना चाहिए इसमें. Example 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 rows and 2 columns, so the order is 2 into 2. This is called square matrix. ये square matrix. And these 3 are the parts of square matrix. हम square matrix में ही diagonal matrix, scalar matrix और identity matrix हो सकता है. Therefore square matrix के ही ये parts माने जाएंगे. So first diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, as we know, diagonal means एक diagonal होगा. So only the elements of diagonal are present. बाकी सब 0 होंगे, सिर्फ ये डायगोनल के एलिमेंट्स होंगे. वो मैट्रिक्स कहलाएगा डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स. उसके बाद स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. स्केलर मैट्रिक्स भी एक डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स है, बट द डिफरेंस इज In scalar matrix, all the elements of diagonal are same. Diagonal के सभी elements same होंगे. 1 0 0. We take 2 0 0 0 2 0 and 0 0 2. So this is the example of scalar matrix. All three elements of diagonal are same. तो वो scalar matrix होगा. And then last, which is very important, identity matrix, denoted by I, and it is also a diagonal matrix, but all the elements of a diagonal are 1 1 and 1, and other elements are 0. So either ये I 3 by 3 वाला मैट्रिक्स हो या फिर 2 by 2 matrix 1 0 0 1. These are called identity matrix. So these are the 7 types of matrix: column matrix, row matrix, zero, square, diagonal, scalar and identity. Now next is equality of a matrix. For equality हमें क्या चाहिए? For equality we need 2 matrix. हमें 2 मैट्रिक्स चाहिए. So equality of a matrix. 2 matrix A and B are equal. 2 मैट्रिक्स A और B इक्वल होंगे if their order is same, उनका ऑर्डर सेम होगा. And the second one is elements of A are equal to the corresponding elements of B. So there are 2 conditions: order is same and elements of A are equal to the corresponding elements of B. It means, एग्जाम्पल से हम समझेंगे कि अगर हमने A ले लिया कोई मैट्रिक्स 1 2 3 4, so B is also of same order and corresponding elements are same. Means ये 1 है तो ये भी 1, 2 तो 2, 3 3 4 4. So these are A and B are called equal matrix. These are 2 equal matrix. Okay, now one more term, one more thing is there A matrix is written as Aij. बहुत जगह आपको ये A equals to Aij के फॉर्म में दिखेगा. So what is the meaning of Aij? यहाँ पर I रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है रो को और J रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है कॉलम को. So अगर हम किसी मैट्रिक्स को एलिमेंट्स के फॉर्म में लिखें तो आएगा A11. यहाँ पर I भी 1, J भी 1 होगा. Then 1 2, it means value of I is 1 and J is 2. A21, I is 2, J is 1 and A22. So values of I and J are 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2 2. Similarly for 3 by 3, it's A11, A12 and A13. First row and these 3 terms. Second row 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. So these are the values of I and J. ये यूज होगा क्वेश्चंस में, इसलिए इसको मैंने समझाया. So this is the theory for exercise 3.1 NCERT. Now we quickly move towards the questions. Some questions we will solve for of exercise 3.1. Question number 2 of exercise 3.1. If a matrix has 24 elements, if any matrix Question number 2. If any matrix having 24 elements, so what are the possible orders? क्या क्या इसके ऑर्डर्स हो सकते हैं? सो ऑर्डर्स कैसे हो सकते हैं इसके? हम इसको कर सकते हैं 24 इंटू 1, 24 रोज और 1 कॉलम का कोई मैट्रिक्स बना सकते हैं हम. सेकेंड वन इज 1 इंटू 24, एक रो और 24 कॉलम्स का एक और मैट्रिक्स बना सकते हैं. सेकेंड इज 12 इंटू 2, 12 rows and 2 columns, and 2 rows and 12 columns, and 8 into 3 and 3 into 8, 6 into 4, 4 into 6. इस तरह के हम ऑर्डर्स बना सकते हैं. सो 24 इंटू 1, 1 इंटू 24 एंड सो ऑन. इस तरह का ऑर्डर हो सकता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में. Question number 3 is also same. Question number 4, construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equals to Aij. Question number 4, construct 2 by 2 matrix of A equals to Aij, where Aij equals to I plus j whole square by 2. This is the question. ये क्वेश्चन है. हमें 2 by 2 का एक मैट्रिक्स बनाना है और A equals to Aij दिया है. So 2 by 2 means there are 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows होनी चाहिए और 2 columns होनी चाहिए. तो value of I is 1 and j is 1, so we get element A11. Then value of I is 1, value of j is 2, then we get 1 2. Value of I is 2 and j is 1, and we get A21. And value of I is 2 and value of j is also 2, so we get A22. So by this we get these 4 elements. कैसे देखें? यहाँ I 1, j is also 1, so we put here I is 1, j is 1 whole square by 2. Now 1 plus 1 2 is square 4, divide by 2, it's 2. Then for 1 2, I is 1, j is 2, so 1 plus 2 whole square by 2. So it's 3, 1 plus 2 3, square 9 by 2. Then 2 1, so here row is 2, I is 2, j is 1 by 2 whole square, it means 3 square 9 by 2. And then R is 2, I is 2, j is 2, square by 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square 16, 16 divided by 2, 8. So the matrix Aij equals to A11, A12, A21 and A22 is 2 1 1, 1 1 की प्लेस पर 2, 1 2, 1 2 के प्लेस पर 9 by 2, 2 1, 9 by 2 and 2 2 is 8. So this is the answer of our question. ये हमारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर हुआ. So similarly क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में 3 by 4 का एक मैट्रिक्स बनाना है. 3 by 4 मैट्रिक्स कैसे करेंगे हम? 3 by 4 मैट्रिक्स, and the question is Aij equals to 2i minus j. This is the question. Question number 5. Three by 4, it means there are 3 rows and 4 columns, 4 columns होने चाहिए and 3 rows होनी चाहिए. So A equals to क्या होगा? A11, A12, A13 and A14. A21, A22, A23 and A24. A31, A32, A33 and A34. So there are 3 rows, R1, R2 and R3 and 4 columns, C1, C2, C3 and C4. अब क्या करेंगे हम? I और J की प्लेस पर ये सभी वैल्यूज रखते जाएंगे और वैल्यूज लाते जाएंगे. 1 1 मीन्स I और J 1, A11 यहाँ पर 1, यहाँ पर 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 2 1 और 2, I की प्लेस पर 1, J की प्लेस पर 2 एंड सो ऑन. इस तरह से हम 12 एलिमेंट्स का वैल्यूज निकाल सकते हैं. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ x, y एंड z. x, y और z मीन्स इक्वेशंस की वैल्यू निकालनी है हमको. इक्वेशंस आर गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. मैट्रिक्स के फॉर्म में इक्वेशन दी हुई है. x plus y plus z, x plus z and y plus z. This is the LHS and RHS इसकी given है 9, 5 and 7. 9, 5 and 7. So we have to find the values of x, y and z. First we write this as x plus y plus z equals to 9. First equals to first, second equals to second, so x plus z equals to 5 and y plus z equals to 7. Now these are 3 equations, first, second and third. From equation second, put x plus z equals to 5 in equation 1. इक्वेशन 1 में हम x plus z की वैल्यू रख देंगे, सो वी गेट वैल्यू ऑफ y. जैसे x plus z plus y equals to 9 लिख दें हम इसको, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को. x plus z की वैल्यू 5 plus y equals to 9, so value of y is 4. Put the value of y here in y plus z equals to 7. y की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 4 plus z equals to 7, so value of z is 3. And now easily we will find value of x. y की वैल्यू 4 है, यहाँ रखेंगे. z की वैल्यू 3 है, यहाँ रखेंगे. 4 plus 3 7, उधर जाएगा माइनस, so value of x is 2. Okay, so this from this we will easily find the values of x, y and